Good morning, guys. This is Midori, your trusted realtor in the Philippines from Ayala Land. Alright, so today we'll have an Avida Land house tour. Let's take a look at one of the three modern contemporary design offered by Avida Land. So we have Celine, we have Trista, and we have Macy Model House. So nagkakaiba sila sa exterior ng house, sa lot area, floor area, and the unit layout. So first, we'll take a look at Macy. Macy has a minimum lot area of 125 square meters and a floor area of 67 square meters. So this one is a 2-level, 3-bedroom unit, which is perfect for you and your family to use. Alright, so this is our Macy model house, which is found in one of our projects down south. You would notice yung landscape, yung garden niya sa labas, sa likod. This is not part of the standard deliverable ng Avida House and Lot. So as we go along, I'll share with you, ano ba yung standards, ano ba yung part ng upgrade dito sa model house natin. So inulit ko po, ito pong garden natin, yung landscape natin, pati itong garage, yung floor niya, this is not part of the standard deliverable. Although you will have a manicured lawn naman po sa harap. Okay, so your house, meron siyang isang car park sa gilid ng bahay ninyo. So this one, if you want to put a covered parking lot, you can do so. You just need to get an approval for any house extensions with the administration. Alright, so going around the house, you would notice, kasyang-kasya, kahit mag-setup po kayo dito ng isang, ng iyong tables and chairs for your breakfast, kasyang-kasya po siya dito. And for a split type air condition, yung condenser niya, you have ample space nandito sa labas. And here is your sliding door going inside the dining area. So let's take a look sa loob ng bahay ninyo. So, pagpasok natin from the main door, you would notice meron tayong open layout. So, from the living area going to the dining area, wala tayong partition, which makes the unit appear bigger. And kahit na paano mo siya ayusin, yung layout mo sa loob, maaliwala siya and it's spacious for your house. So, yung floor natin, this is vinyl floor. Ang warm ng color niya easily mixes with your interior design. Kahit palagyan natin dito ng L-shaped sofa or sofa bed, very spacious pa rin yung loob ng bahay ninyo. Okay, so now, if you look at the dining area, this is a 4-seater dining set. But kahit lagyan natin siya ng 6-seater, kasyang-kasya pa rin siya. And for your kitchen, you have black granite and then provided na rin yung kitchen cabinet. Itong door na to, it leads outside dun sa likod ninyo. So, if you want to have an extension dito sa labas ng kitchen ninyo, you can do so. For any upgrades naman po, you just need to inform the management and seek for their approval. So, this is our restroom found on the ground floor. Standard deliverables, yung mga toilet, sink, and then yung shower head. Ito yung wall natin, part na siya ng model unit upgrade. Okay, so if you have any questions, if you want to know ano ba yung mga house and lot availabilities natin, just send me a message. I have a website, it's investrealestate-ph.com, which shows all of the projects that Ayala Land offers from Amaya, Avida, Alveo, and Ayala Land Premier. Okay, so going to the second floor, meron din tayo ditong restroom, toilet, and bath. And then this is our bedroom number 1. Meron tayo ditong cabinet provided. This is bedroom number 2. So you can fit in a single size bed, kasya din dito ang double size bed. And then meron tayong provision for a window air condition. Itong wall natin, ang partition natin dito, this is gypsum board. So going dun sa master's area, if you will notice, ang ganda ng ginawa ng interior design, ginawa niyang mirror yung wall, which makes the room appear a lot bigger. So itong ating master's area, kasya dito double size or queen size bed. Alright, so I hope you like the model house tour of Avida Land. And for any questions or if you would like to know ano ba yung mga available projects natin, up north, we're developing this estate. We call it Alviera. We offer house and lot from Northdale settings. The house models are quite similar to what I have just showed you. So this is very ideal for your halfway home, for your retirement home. And what's good is that we're also selling lot only projects in Alviera. This one naman po is our project down south in Vermosa, Imus, Cavite. This is along the Anghari. So we have sports complex here. We have Olympic size pool, and this one is still under construction, or we're offering pre-selling houses for you. So there's always a perfect investment for you with Ayala Land. Kung condominium man po yan or house and lot. For Avida House and Lot, we have several projects across the country in Cagayan, Pampanga, Bulacan, Laguna, Cavite. We also have in Batangas, Iloilo, Bacolod, even Negros Occidental in the southern province. So just let me know which project you're interested in. And buying a land is really a good investment because the property value appreciates in 10 years, and because they're not making it anymore, buying a land is very rare and it's really a good investment. So if you have any questions, please do contact me on my mobile number. My main number has WeChat, Viber, WhatsApp, and my email address is also here. I also have social media accounts wherein you can follow me so that you can be updated on the promos that we are offering. So I have Instagram, Facebook, YouTube accounts, and LinkedIn also. Alright, thank you so much, guys, and I hope I can help you reserve your own investment and for your future dream home. Thank you.